And the Peter Obi, you want to become the president of Nigeria, Peter Obi. You're a Christian. You want to become the president of Nigeria. I have nothing to say for Peter Obi. But Peter Obi, only thing I will tell you, go to your brother go and meet your brother who is Jonathan, Goodluck Jonathan, who is a Christian. Go and meet him. He will tell you what he passed through. So if you are capable to come out this battle, when President Goodluck Jonathan was the president of Nigeria, you know that this man is a Christian. But you see how they fight this man. Even there was a time Goodluck Jonathan wanted to buy weapon to fight against this Boko Haram. You know how they are fighting against him. So that this man will not fight against this Boko Haram in Nigeria. I want all the Christians to listen to me right now. Because Satan is planning another war. These people have bad agenda in Nigeria. They have bad agenda in Nigeria. Who will be the president of Nigeria that will stop this Boko Haram in Nigeria? Who is capable to stop it? Who will be a president of Nigeria that will be able to stop this Boko Haram in Nigeria? Who? They are sponsoring Boko Haram in secret, coming in public, telling us they are not sponsoring Boko Haram. Do you see? Atiko. Even though that way Atiko, when they killed the baller in North, when I see what Atiko do, Atiko lost something on his Twitter. Immediately they call him on phone, warn him, he did it. Saying, no, be him like that. They cover up. Okay, so now this kind of person will come out to protect Nigeria for all this crime that is going on in Nigeria. Now this kind of person, they are looking for the president that they will use to fulfill their assignment in Nigeria to exterminate this nation. Who is President Muhammad Buhari couldn't fulfill it because God scattered the agenda of President Muhammad Buhari to exterminate this nation. And all the Christians are keeping quiet. I want to know whether Atiko can stop this Boko Haram. Somebody couldn't. What him the Atiko light for his Twitter? He didn't say no be him like that, and somebody like that. And you know if he condemned the evil. Okay, Tinubu. Look at Tinubu. Muslim. And the man waited for Tinubu back. Two of them are danger. So Muslim. I want to know whether Atiko or Tinubu, these two people, are they able to stop this Boko Haram or then go to sponsor this Boko Haram secret? Because you cannot tell me President Muhammad Buhari, Atiko, Jonathan, and all these presidents, both Obasanjo, they don't know the people that are sponsoring this Boko Haram in Nigeria. They don't know what is going on in Nigeria. And I stand there. I have the burden. Because the blood that I share in this country is crying against these wicked politicians. I have the burden. What is going on in this country? I'm not happy on it. And God himself is not happy for what is going on in this nation. I want to know whether Atiko can come out publicly to condemn this Boko Haram, to condemn it. It's beyond Atiko. Atiko cannot do anything. Like that, they know everything. They sponsor everything in secret. Coming out there, they don't know what will happen. Even Tinubu and the Peter Obi, they want to become the president of Nigeria. Peter Obi, you're a Christian. You want to become the president of Nigeria. I have nothing to say for Peter Obi. But Peter Obi, only thing I will tell you, go to your brother go and meet your brother who is Jonathan, Goodluck Jonathan, who is a Christian. Go and meet him. He will tell you what he passed through. So if you are capable to come out this battle, you are free. God is not happy for this thing that is happening in Nigeria. Look at how they are everywhere insecurity all over Nigeria. They are planning to exterminate this nation. They are planning all the Christians in Nigeria. This is the time that everybody will wake up and come out. They are planning to exterminate this nation. It's the time that we will speak out. No more afraid. Bible says, do not afraid, don't be afraid. For the people can kill the flesh, but they cannot kill the spirit. Because one thing must kill a man. Everybody that live in this earth, one day we must live in this world. Whether you are a governor, whether you are president, whether whosoever you be, you must die one day. One day we must leave this earth. So it is time that all the Christians will rise up. Rise up. Tinubu cannot defeat Boko Haram. And I think I cannot do it. Even Peter Obi, I'm not sure that even Peter Obi will do it. That is why I tell Peter to go and meet good Judge Jonathan. When you meet good Judge Jonathan, you ask Jonathan the experience he gets during the time where he's the president of Nigeria. You meet him, and when you meet him, good Judge Jonathan will tell you. How can we be keeping quiet? Our leaders are sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria, killing us. We're keeping quiet for a reason. For what reason? Where are the Christians in Nigeria? Where are the army of Christ? The time has come that we will rise up. No more keeping quiet. No more keeping quiet. The time has come. All the ministers of God, all the believers, all the soldiers of Christ, all the warriors, rise up. We cannot keep quiet. Look at what happened to Turkey. Look at what happened to Turkey. And if you keep quiet, it will happen to Nigeria. The time has come. Everybody will rise up. All the Christians in Nigeria. I'm telling you, wherever you are, rise up. They fight Jonathan, pursue Jonathan out of that seat. They pursue Jonathan out of that seat. Then carry somebody, Buhari, that will work with them. And Buhari couldn't fulfill it because, you see, to examine this nation, no, you know gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Listen, all the Christians that are in North, there are Christians that are living in North. They will not examine them. They will not examine this nation. They cannot do it. They will not examine this nation. Listen, and they are trying to put somebody on that seat that will dance on their tune. Let me stop this message here. Tomorrow, I'll give another message about this thing. They will not examine this nation. They will not examine this nation. No. All the Christians, the time has come that we rise up. Watch my next video tomorrow. Thank you and God bless you.